Microsoft Online Services has provided a tremendous opportunity for Arctic Information Technology, allowing us to really accelerate the velocity with which we're delivering managed services to our customers.
The typical model would be is you'd go in and you'd spend time consulting with the customer to understand their needs, understand some of the choke points, understand some of the areas that you could improve. We can go in and literally in an hour not only show the customer SharePoint and live meeting and the Microsoft Online Services running, but we can actually say, let's build you a site right now. And that we have no problem closing sales or getting customers excited when we can not only talk to them about what's possible and demonstrate what's possible, but build an actual scenario live. So the idea of getting SharePoint up and running, or live meeting up and running, or Exchange up and running very rapidly, that just gets people very excited. What it does for us as a partner / customer is it allows us to handle more customers in the same period of time, and therefore we think we can probably maybe quadruple our sales because we can actually touch more customers and close more sales faster.
As a partner, another thing that we're always challenged with is the life cycle of the sale. And so with Microsoft Online, we've have for the first time we have a boxed set of services as a consulting company that clearly defines what the customer is getting. There's not a long definition and scope phase. And with the infrastructure already in place, the licensing already in place, the subscription model, we can move these people online very quickly and realize that revenue.
Microsoft Online Services has allowed Arctic IT to really shorten the sales cycle for our customers who need key functionality and key features in their business. We're able to very readily explain the merits of the solution, prove the value, and deploy very, very rapidly.
So for our customers, we've had the opportunity to actually sit down with them and talk more about where they're going to get business value out of the software. A lot of times in opportunities, we spend a lot of time talking about implementation of hardware to actually get these solutions in place. And now we're getting more quickly to opportunities around helping them run their business better.
Since we already were familiar with the hosted model, and it wasn't a matter of on-premise versus hosted, we could go to a customer and say that we can get you online up and running in a matter of days. We call it flight training. So we say to the customer, how are you doing executive collaboration today? How are you doing virtual meetings today? And we find that most people are using kind of a hodgepodge or a conglomeration. One customer, as an example, had a competitive product, okay, and they were using a third-party Web 2.0 product in terms of their online collaboration. When they saw the power of Microsoft Online Services to get an enterprise class solution basically up and running in a matter of days with very, very low cost, I mean less than $50 a month, they just couldn't believe it. The value proposition was just too strong.